So how do academia support educators like me and my team din naman? So they help me actually in so many ways. So hindi lang financially when I'm in need, they are also listening ears, talking advices. They are like warm hugs, or most of the time like friends, more than friends and families, that actually show you empathies whenever I'm down actually. Kasi if we would be in the real setting of things, nakakadrain ng work, especially dealing with kids may special needs. Kasi hindi ka lang pagod physically, you're also pagod mentally and emotionally. So if you have a team na supports you, nakatawanan mo, kakwentuhan mo, na pagsabihan mo ng mga personal problems mo, ng maraming bagay actually, it's a different kind of support. Kasi bihira lang naman yun in many schools, in many companies. Bihira lang nag-offer ng safe space, kumbaga, ng listening ears, ng advices, ng understanding bakit ganito, bakit ganyan. So more than financially, more than intellectually, more than sa trainings, other than the trainings na especially na provide nila sa amin to be more efficient, to work more professionally, and ma-meet yung mga needs ng bata. So, ayun po.